Will I be able to sleep when having nocturnal or overnight haemodialysis?
Potentially not in the first 2 months. It's like sleeping with a new baby. You sleep with one eye open. But then if you persevere, you'll sleep like a log and you'll be fine.
Some people are worried about having dialysis at home, especially overnight, and the noise of the dialysis machine or the water purifier, and having the dialysis tubes connected to your arm, for example. But most people say that they get used to the noise and the way to dialyse at home quite quickly once they get used to it.